You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Author name pronunciation American. Writer, for more names from literature that can be confusing, make sure to stay tuned. Ursula K. Le Guin. If it was French, it would be said as Le Guin, but she was American, so Le Guin. Ursula K. Le Guin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.